Nigerians, now wanna tell me congratulations under this comment section. You know easy. Carry the camera come. Waiting be this. Dog meat. Waiting be this. Pammy. You know sir, they advised from now before. Guys, no woman love you. First love yourself. Woman where you dey today, if you go broke tomorrow, you go run, leave you. You don't understand? I mean, go be the last fool we go date any girl. Now, in the past, they look me. I tell them, say, make them they go that side. Video here, video everywhere. No, video everywhere. When I see any woman, bring the carry the camera and come. Carry the camera and come. When I see any woman for you, invest in yourself first before you invest in any woman. It's better for me to invest on my fellow man than to invest in a woman. I know if you try him. I know go try him.
Yeah,
carry the camera and come. Come.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. But I thought they said all Nigerian men are taking care of women. They are giving women money. They are spending on women. Why is this one speaking like this? Why is this one saying the opposite? So it's even true that some Nigerians eat dog meat. I'm surprised. I'm shocked. But anyways, their South African wives are very proud of them, like this one.
Like on a serious note, my South African sisters, do not be ashamed of your partner. Love that man loudly. Do not be ashamed, because if he was white, 9 years, people will be on the comment section glorifying you. Don't be ashamed of your man. Love him loudly, sweetie pie.
But why are we always involving white people in everything we say? Especially if there's a problem, we defend ourselves with white people. Each time we have a problem, we put white people in front of us as a scapegoat. Even our politicians are teaching us to defend ourselves with white people. If we are facing a crisis, we have to blame white people. Even today, after 30-something years, we are still blaming the apartheid. So I don't see the reason why this lady is involving white people in her love life with a Nigerian man. Why is she even comparing a white man and a Nigerian man? Are those two the same? Of course, if we see a black African married to a white man, we will be happy for her. The reason is because a white man and a Nigerian man are two different people. So there is no comparison there, because I've never heard that a white man is hijacking buildings in this country. I've never heard that a white man is selling powder to small kids in this country. I've never heard that a white man is selling counterfeit goods or expired goods. I've never heard that a white man is running brothels, keeping small girls there. So what will be the reason for us not to be happy for a lady who is getting married to a white man? So it's not the same, and it will never be the same, because the other one is destroying the country, the other one is fixing the country. So you see the difference. That is the reason, gay, we choose to be happy for a lady who is getting married to a white man than a lady who is getting married to a Nigerian man. And we know that not all Nigerians are like that, but because of the majority, we don't know who is right, who is wrong, because the majority is bad. So that is the reason now we don't trust any of them. But again, we are not jealous of them, especially now that I watched this video. Hey, So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.